Another Friday night in the social jungle. She's got the link, he's got the whip to take her where she wants to go. Not another Friday night in the social jungle. She's got the link, he's got the whip to take her where she wants to go. Lights start to flicker and we're moving way too fast. Can you slow down? Flicker and we're moving way too fast. Can you slow down? He looks at her and then he laughs. Baby, need to learn to chill. Never gonna last. Need to learn to chill. Oh, you're never gonna last. Need to learn to chill. Oh, you're never gonna last. Party's going off and I ain't easing off the gas. Cry for me, cry, baby, please.
Yes, the Ambo Club. Damn. It's dry. Like me. We are going up the jeepney. We are in a hanging bridge. There's sister. We got stuck because the jeepney is overheating. This is stay strong.
A good premonition
No.
to what will happen to you. This is birthday height.
A birthday. Yung kaya pa? Oh, she cute, but she overheated. There you go. Go, kuya. This is a restroom with its natural ventilation. It's a very interesting experience. Thank you, CR. You have served me well. She cute and she's satisfied. So, nandito kami sa Sulphur Springs and medyo mabanto. Thirst. Smells like rotten eggs. But look at that. Very interesting Mother Nature. Damn, Mother Nature. She cute, doing our own thing. We have to attend a briefing.
Briefing.
To climb the mountain.
Big ass camera.
But the line is too long,
Yes.
so we have to wait for our turn.
So, we're gonna eat.
So, dumating kami dito ng 10 a.m. 12:38 na po.
Kaya po nag-enjoy.
Ayan po. Nakarating na po sana kami sa Pulag. Why is the universe depriving me of my happiness?
Tumigil ka nga dyan, nakita tayo bukas eh.
Sarap. At ito po ang aming welcoming remarks.
May birds.
So, nakapasok na rin kami finally after 3 hours.
It was now the third highest mountain in the Philippines, but it is the highest peak in Luzon.
We just arrived in our homestay and we are so hungry. It's 3 o'clock already.
Kain ka ng isla, Eunice?
Yes. So this is our homestay. It's very cozy. Ayan. Right now we're gonna briefing. Short briefings. Place here where there's signal. Signal here. Your home in the clouds. Nice. It's our home for the night. This is where I'm sleeping. And this is where my sister is sleeping. So I just finished taking a bath and I'm on my way to the... Hi! Hello! Ano pangalan mo? Ay, hiya siya. Hello! On my way to the ranger station, but I don't know where it is, so good luck.
Got everything, I got everything.
And look what I found! So there are Austromerias here. So pretty!
Fuck that, never mind what I got. Nigga, don't watch that, cause I...
So I bought a hat from here for 100 pesos. Got me some biro-biro.
me. No help, that's all me for real.
So I'm heading home now with my new 100 peso bonnet and 25 peso bilo-bilo. It's quite cold but it's tolerable. Finally! Reunited with my sister! Hinanapin kita, friend, kaya dun ako nakarating. Finally found my long lost sister. What can you say? I miss you, ate.
Ano ginawa mo doon? Sabi ko ng asa.
Ayan, we're staying here in Baban's homestay. And here is a wild boar. We shared scary stories a while ago. And now we're waiting for food. Hi guys! Waiting for the tinola. Ano? Tinola!
Got everything, I got everything.
We just finished waking up and getting ready. Is that like so? She's now getting some nudes. I want some nudes, baby. It's around 2:15 a.m. Is it early? Yeah, it's 2:15 a.m. And we are going to hike at 3 a.m.
Trek to the tower site to catch the sunrise. So we'll take about 3 to 4 hours, 4 hours max getting there. So
40 minutes after walking.
40 minutes na?
Yeah, 40 minutes. So we have arrived in Camp 1
What?
after about an hour.
Really?
Yeah.
Hour. Yay!
Cat. We are about to enter the mossy forest. And ito si Dars. Hi Dars, ang aming guide. Cute. She's only 17. Tanda ka na. Ito yung campsite number 2. Dito sila nagka-camp. Just the view. We are in Camp 2 after an hour and 30 minutes from Camp 1. And there's a restroom here.
Okay, we can go up first.
Oh, we can go.
Hey!
We need the guide first. We need Dars.
Hey!
Ang cute ang name niya na Dars. Parang Darla. Hi!
I know the other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you wants me to. I know the other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do.
So, we finally made it to the tower. At ito ang view. See ang clouds. So nice! They so Shit, lamig. Ang ganda.
I can see you wants me to. I know the other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good.
We are now hiking up to Peak 3.
The summit, right?
No, not the summit.
Just
only
kidding.
Peak
Hey!
3. Peak 3. Really high. Hello! Just the view. The hills are alive with the sound of music. So we are rushing to the summit. 30 minutes, let's go. So we finally made it to the summit. It's 2,926 meters above sea level. We made it after how many hours? So yeah, we finally went here.
It's me and
There were a lot of people taking a picture on the actual handmade sign, which was not official, by the way.
The official one was, oh yeah, we took a photo
On the
with that.
ground.
On the ground. And we are now going down. We are in the mossy forest. So this is the moss. This is the moss. And this is the most ugly.
What? Don't laugh.
She laughed. Thank you for supporting me.
No.
We We are finally in Camp 1 after Camp 2.
Yes.
After 45 minutes. 45 minutes?
Is it?
It felt like 5 hours.
Wow.
So, nakatakbo ng pa ako.
Wala nang goal pa baba.
My feet are dead.
Less pictures na din.
Just like my future. Habal-habal. Bye pa. I mean, still alive? Yeah. It's 12:30 and we are walking to the ranger station. Hello.
We're buying some produce from the area.
So we got
Ate, gusto
some
mo apple?
stuff. Hi ate. Hi ka.
I gave her an apple.
Hello. Thank you po.
Yung carrot juice mo mainit. Ay, malamig.
Ate got some carrot juice.
Yung okay, masarap.
Yum. We also got some vegetable ukoy. Finally back in our hostel. And we are alive. Are you alive?
Yeah.
I'm not. I'm dead.
I haven't. Yay!
My video. Oh, thank you.
Please use our hashtag Real Adventures, also hashtag Share Life Outdoors so you can see your post. So now we'll just wait for our jeep and then we'll head back to Baguio.
We are on our way back to Baguio. Ano ginagawa niyo guys? Seatbelt. Seatbelt and the jeep. Everyone is
Yung malambot na chapter.
after that horrible 3-hour ride.
Grabe yung 3 hours, 2
3 hours.
hours.
3 hours, girl. We are back here in Baguio.
Yan, nawala yung cellphone mo.
Walking towards the
We're driving
Korean barbecue. We are just having a la carte because we're gonna go with Ate's friend, Jess. I'll link down below her her Instagram. Charot lang. We're now eating. Our orders have arrived.
How do you eat this?
You mix it first.
Over, you know that it ain't no.
We're meeting with Jess. Hi. Ate Jess and my sister, Ate Sav.
Ilang followers mo? Ay, just may joke ako.
Two naman. Ako yung nag-review tapos may isang tao random na nakakalik din.
Sikat na.
Kaya nga ay dalawa din. So, ito yung bar. It's called Hardin. And this is how it looks like. We are back in the bus.
We are in the bus.
Going to Manila.
And then we hung out with Jess. Tapos,
Sorry, I wasn't able to vlog because, you know, I gotta be in the moment. Focus on the here and now. Anyway, so the bus is leaving. Bye! Oh, diba? May outro pa. Ay, hindi pa pala nag-end. Okay, bye!